This was big news, if not chilling news, across the country today. A major company, UPS, making the decision to no longer offer insurance coverage to employee spouses.
It took about 6 hours, but UPS finally called us back about a half an hour ago saying that the change is an effort to keep premiums at or below current costs. And 24-hour News 8's Danny Carlson got some perspective for us on this big story, and she has that from Wyoming tonight.
We spoke to employees, both on and off camera, about how they feel and what these big changes will mean for them.
For a company historically known for their generous benefits, 32-year employee Tom Miller says he's unfortunately not terribly surprised by the insurance changes, he says, in light of the Affordable Health Care Act.
It's just kind of rotten, yeah. But I think most of us understand why it's happening, and so it's one of those things that you accept.
UPS says that act, combined with rising health care costs, is the reason for the change, saying that they now won't offer insurance to non-union employee spouses if those spouses can get insurance through their work instead. And if a UPS employee lies about their spouse being able to get insurance through their employer, that employee could lose their health coverage altogether or even their job.
The bottom line is companies are in business to make money, and the more money that's taken away in paying for benefits or whatever, the less money they have to pay their shareholders. And frankly, we are the shareholders. Most of us at UPS are what own the company.
I think by a company the size of UPS making this announcement, it does make a political statement, whether that was their intention or not.
Paul Isley, economics chair at GVSU, says we can expect to hear more of these announcements over the next 6 months or so, saying employees in jobs that need little training or the training is easy to get are likely the ones who will see benefits packages, meaning things like health insurance, cut. But he says he does expect things to eventually level out once the idea of the Affordable Health Care Act becomes a full reality.
Nobody's really sure where it's going to end up. Chances are it's not going to be on either of the margins, meaning no one's going to have insurance or everyone's going to have really expensive insurance. It's not going to be on those two sides.
The other big change put out in that memo to employees has to do with tobacco use. For every employee or their spouse covered by UPS insurance that has used tobacco even once in the past 12 months, there will be a $150 premium per month. In Wyoming, Danny Carlson, 24-hour News 8.